The 2025 BYD Sealion 7 emerges as a bold contender in the competitive compact SUV market, capturing attention with its modern design, advanced technology, and electric performance. As one of BYD's latest entries into the EV space, the Sealion 7 is built to appeal to drivers seeking a blend of efficiency, innovation, and everyday practicality. Positioned as a stylish and capable crossover, it promises to deliver on multiple fronts, from a sporty driving experience to smart features that enhance convenience and comfort. At the heart of the BYD Sealion 7 is its electric powertrain, which offers an impressive combination of power and smoothness. Drivers can expect lively acceleration thanks to its dual-motor all-wheel drive setup, producing up to 530 horsepower in its top variant. This results in a thrilling 0 to 100 km/h sprint in under 4 seconds, making the Sealion 7 feel more like a performance sedan than a family SUV. Even with all that power, BYD has fine-tuned the handling to ensure stability and comfort, whether navigating tight urban streets or cruising on the highway. For drivers who prioritize range, the Sealion 7 offers a choice of battery packs, with a maximum range of over 600 kilometers, making it suitable for long-distance trips as well as daily commuting. Visually, the 2025 Sealion 7 makes a strong first impression. The exterior design is sleek and dynamic, with fluid lines and an athletic stance that hint at its performance capabilities. The front end features sharp LED headlamps and a bold grille design that incorporates BYD's latest design language, while aerodynamic sculpting along the sides enhances both aesthetics and efficiency. The sloping roofline gives it a coupe-like silhouette, blending SUV practicality with sedan elegance. Subtle details like flush door handles and a distinctive rear light bar lend a futuristic vibe, setting the Sealion 7 apart from more traditional compact crossovers. Inside, the cabin is a showcase of modern luxury and digital innovation. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and customizable ambient lighting create an upscale atmosphere. A massive central touchscreen dominates the dashboard, offering access to BYD's advanced infotainment system, which includes voice control, smartphone integration, and over-the-air updates. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and customizable, delivering essential driving information in a glance. Passengers in both rows enjoy ample legroom and headroom, and thoughtful touches like wireless charging pads, ventilated seats, and a panoramic sunroof enhance everyday comfort. BYD also includes a robust suite of driver assistance features, ensuring safety and confidence on every drive. Efficiency is one of the Sealion 7's strongest selling points. Built on BYD's e-Platform 3.0, it benefits from smart energy management, heat pump technology, and regenerative braking systems that maximize range and minimize energy loss. Charging is quick and hassle-free, with support for high-speed DC fast charging that can replenish the battery from 10 to 80% in about 30 minutes. This makes the Sealion 7 not just a powerful and attractive SUV, but one that fits seamlessly into the lifestyle of modern EV users. The 2025 BYD Sealion 7 is a compelling package that combines performance, style, technology, and sustainability. With its bold presence and practical features, it stands ready to redefine what drivers expect from a compact electric SUV. Book yours today and step into the future of driving.